zombie. Oh, do you hear that, Brett?
Yeah?
Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh, these scary mobs are all over the place.
You know.
Did you lock the door?
I'm gonna go check.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna hide under the table. Brett, I think I found something. Brett, come back, quick.
What is it?
It's gonna solve all our problems with these crazy Minecraft mobs.
What are you
Today
doing
we're
now?
opening up
Lego Set 21123, the Iron Golem. This is our first ever Minecraft set. I'm so excited to open this. Aaron, get up here now.
Ooh, a piece of candy.
No, forget the candy. Get here now.
Oh, sorry about that.
It's
man.
Minecraft.
Oh, it's our first Minecraft set. Took us long enough. Feels
I know.
like we've been talking about it for like 3.5, 200, and 400, 3,000
That's not even a number.
You're not a number. Man, it looks like they took a scene straight out of a plains biome.
Yeah, or like a forest, or
Maybe like a desert biome. Oh, no, wait, there's no sand there.
that's us.
Embarrassing. But take a look at that cool green grass and those gray Lego blocks that are made to look like stone and cobblestone. Oh, look at that blue little trickle of water. That's sweet.
There's some other features like the torch. That's really nice with the yellow and the orange, and a nice red flower. And is that a pumpkin head?
Yeah, Brett, you take the pumpkin head, put it on top of the iron bricks, and you've got the man himself, the Iron Golem.
That's how you make the Iron Golem?
Yeah, it's a very simple recipe. Oh, it was an expensive recipe, but it's a very simple recipe once you get down to it.
And we've also got Alex. Look at her with her red hair and her green shirt and brown pants and even a diamond pickaxe.
Look over there on the side, it's a zombie. Super scary. Like that?
Yeah. All right, but look at the cute little baby
Oh,
pig.
it's a little cute little piggy. Oh, it's a little piggy. Piggy.
Chuleta.
Oh, Chuleta. Oh, man, that diamond pickaxe is so sweet, and it can break like anything, Brett. Except bedrock.
You can't break.
Can't break bedrock.
Why not?
That's another time. Let's take a look at the back of the box. They really try to get you to build your own creations when it comes to these Minecraft sets, just like you would in the video game. So you can arrange the blocks however you would like.
And to help with your creations, it comes with a crafting table and even a furnace.
They even include some little iron studs so you can create some iron ore, you know, to make your iron blocks, to create your Iron Golem.
Speaking of the Iron Golem, this set comes with a surprise compartment where the Iron Golem pops up to scare the mobs.
Yeah, they must be scared of our big friend here. He does a really good job of protecting all the villagers. You know what, Brett? Stop protecting this box and let's open it. Yeah.
All right.
You gotta work on your intensity, man. How many bags we got here?
3 bags, 3 brick plates, 1 book.
Oh yeah, let's get started. Yeah, so I took my last pickaxe down to the bottom of the mine, and then I went to and grabbed some iron ore, and that's when I grabbed the blocks, and that's how I made my own Iron Golem and my own Let's Play.
Wow, that's great.
Did you listen to anything I said?
Yeah. But just in case I wasn't listening, could you say the whole thing again?
You know what, Brett? Let's take a look at the set. I really like the fact that the minifigures have block heads. You know, just like they do in the Minecraft games where you can change the skins and stuff. But everyone always had the same block-like head, just like the rest of the blocks in the game.
Blockity blockity block.
Block. Alex is so awesome with her diamond pickaxe, and that little piggy's a cute little Chuleta.
And look at that zombie. He's got that bright blue shirt with the cool purple pants. Man, I wish I had a pair of those.
Yeah, you know what, Brett? Why don't you show all the bros that secret pop-up action so that we can see our cool little friend here.
Initiate with the pumpkin on top and the Iron Golem.
Oh man, he's so cool. The way his arms move, it's really realistic. You can make him go all rata, 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 rata. It's so awesome.
He can swing his arm and take out that zombie.
Yeah, take out all the mobs.
Yeah. I really love the use of the orange and yellow bricks on top of the torch and inside the furnace to make it look like fire.
Yeah, and I really love the use of the clear blue bricks to give you that feeling of flowing water. Really
Yeah.
attentive to detail right there.
Great job, Lego.
Yeah, using your noggin.
Yeah, give your brain a kiss. Mwah.
You know, Brett, I can't wait to travel the rest of the Minecraft world through all these cool Lego Minecraft sets, but this Iron Golem's been pretty sweet.
Yeah, but I really want that Lego Minecraft Village set.
Yeah, and I really want that Ender Dragon set. There's a lot that we could do. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Lego unboxings and builds.
I'm Brett.
And I'm Aaron.
And we're the Brick Bros. Brick Bros! And don't forget, the 200 subscriber giveaway is coming up.
Oh yeah, make sure you like and you subscribe and oh, look at the little chuleta.
Little chuleta. But seriously, subscribe to our channel.
Whee! Whee!
And look at the little smell on the flower.
Oh yeah.